What is this? This is strange. Why they make this sidewalk so narrow and you got the cars driving right next to you? Well, if you're coming to Woodhaven Boulevard, walk on the other side of the street. Now you know. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, hey. That's a small dog and big yap. I gotta be careful because in parking lots there's a lot of crashes and accidents. If you thought the gas station was bad, parking lots are even worse because you gotta watch for cars left and right, reversing, turning into spaces, waiting. In fact, it might even be better for me to walk over here on the other side. Let's do that. Oh my gosh. Not only do you gotta watch out for cars, but there's a freaking hole here. I tripped in it. Oh my gosh. This parking lot is dangerous to cars and pedestrians walking in between the parking spaces. Oh my gosh. Here's a place I did not go before. Does this go across the bridge? This is a little bit weird. All right, let's try it. I think I'm gonna need my light. Seriously. At least I'm at the top now. Sauce with 5 Australian, thank you so much. Okay, this goes around, good. I'll take my light off. I did not know you can get over here as a pedestrian. And now I have the same kind of business on the other side of the ramp. Watch me go over here and then the bottom's gonna be closed and I have to turn around again. Hope that doesn't happen though. How come this side has lights and the other side doesn't? Why didn't they put lights on the other side? What a shame. They gotta put lights up there. My gosh, I don't think if I brought my bicycle here, I'm gonna be taking this ramp because it's so much of a hassle. I'd rather just race across that bridge to get across Woodhaven Boulevard instead of all this craziness. Man, how many turns are there in this? I didn't even count, like 5 or 6. Okay, is this the last turn? I hope. And the gate's closed. Nope. All right, I'm out of there. I am out of there. Someone's flying. Do-do. 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 Ah! Slenderman! Ah! 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 Slenderman! Ah! All right. I'm not going in there.